Welcome back or welcome to my channel with your fine ass. Listen, so I got this Unbrush brush, honey. Everybody has been raving about it. Everybody has tried it and I have not. So I wanted to try it. So I got it and I'm just feeling it, checking it out. It's got like a little plastic rubbery type of bristles. Yeah, definitely didn't make me think that my hair would be able to do it. Look at my hair. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. My hair's off the chain, y'all. Had not combed it in like probably about 5 months. I ain't even gonna lie. Probably ain't combed about 5 months. Now, not too much on me because one thing about it is it has been braided, okay? It has been braided. So that's why I hadn't combed it in 5 months. So it ain't like I just literally been walking around outside and ain't combed my hair in 5 months, okay? So here I am trying to Unbrush Brush, honey. I tried to do it on dry hair first to see how it did, because everybody done tried it on dry hair and it seemed like it does its big one, right? So on dry hair, it did what it needed to do, you know what I'm saying? But it definitely took a little bit more effort, I would say. But it did still detangle it pretty good. I didn't even think that it was going to do that, considering the fact that my hair looking the way it's looking and giving what it's giving. But yeah, after multiple comb throughs, it did actually do what it needed to do and give what it needed to give, or give what it's been saying that it gave, And I'm expecting to have like a lot of shedded hair because obviously it's been 5 months since I comb my hair. You usually shed about 100 strands a day. So that's a lot of hair in there that needs to come out. I was too geeked up about my little twist or whatever, honey. Hair growing. So I decided to go ahead and try it again on another piece of dry hair. And whew, it was off the chain, y'all. It was rough. It was real rough. Because my hair was all types of tangled. It was bad. It was so bad. I guess I'd be ashamed of myself, but my hair was braided. So, I mean, there's nothing that I can really say. There's nothing I can really say, I guess. Because my hair was braided. I believe that I had those crochets in before I took this hair down. So my hair was braided down to my head. So yeah, it was a good little situation that I had, little braid down situation that I had going on up under there. But this time I decided to put a little water on there to see how it did. Like, did it help it a little bit? Did it loosen things up? Did it make it comb through a little bit better, a little bit easier? And I did actually come to the conclusion that it did help a lot. So having the damp hair definitely helped that comb slide through there a whole heck of a lot better and detangle a whole heck of a lot better than just doing it straight up on dry hair. And you can see the difference of how the hair is looking compared to when it was tangled before, when I showed you. I was really liking it. I was like really enjoying the Unbrush Brush. I'm like, hold on, they really might be onto something. Because listen, they came out with I don't know how many detangling brushes, right? And I ain't really tried none of them. I ain't never really tried no detangling brush because I'm like, can't none hold up against my hair. So this time I decided to put some of that Amazon conditioner that I used on my wig to realive it. I just put some of that Amazon conditioner on my hair and just, tried to finger comb it kind of through and rub it on there, and to see if that helped even more, So I tried it with the dry hair, tried it with just water on the hair, and then I decided to put the conditioner on there and see if that helped. And baby, that really helped. That really made a difference for real. So I would definitely be using the Unbrush brush with some conditioner on my hair moving forward. Ooh, look at all them little tangle knots. A mess. Ghetto. It's giving ghetto. So this piece of hair, I decided to try to do water and some conditioner, honey. I said, listen, if the water did good and the conditioner did good by themselves, then I know they gonna show out together, right? I know it's gonna show out together. So I tried it, and we gonna see what's tea with it. Did it do good or did it not? And I think it did pretty good with both. So I decided I'm going to do the rest of my head with both moving forward. Look it off the chain, y'all. Whew. So I finished one side of my hair. That's all of the hair that came out of that side of my head. And I went ahead and finished the other side of my head. And that's the amount that came out the other side of my head. So I had two big old puff balls that came out of my head, y'all, off the chain. But overall, I definitely give the Unbrush brush a 10 out of 10. I do say that you need to put some product with it to be able to use it to the best of its ability. But yeah, it worked good with my 4C hair. I love it. I'm going to keep using it, and I definitely recommend it. I'll put the link down in the description box. Appreciate you coming through. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.